Stephen. I'm from Philippines and I'm 15 years old. I live at a foundation, that's ASEF, Asian Student Christian Foundations, or as we call Mango. There they have a very good because we are religious and many staff will guide us, and they want us to study hard and to have our future. When I'm child, I am a scavenger, and because my father leaves my mother so that we're poor and we need to find some food to eat, so I became a scavenger. I started scavenging when I was 7 years old. My grandfather is a construction worker at the ASCF, and he took me to go to the foundation. So I decided to go there because my mother can't afford my anything. Yeah. And so that I came to Mango. Every vacation we visited our family, and there is in a good condition. I have one brothers. I have four kapatid coach.
Siblings.
I have 4 siblings. One boys. We are 3 boys and 2 girls. For me, the most important is my study. I have many ambitions. I want to be a policeman because in our country there are many violence like killing, hold-upping, and anything else. So I want them to stop. First, I only played basketball because I did not know football. But when our Coach Roy, have a football clinic, I joined there and I find my potential there, so that I joined. It's very easy to play in football than to living on a street, because football you learn many more, and you will have a
better life?
Yeah.
Kaya nyo talaga, ha? Hero ka, galing nito! Namang tayo. 1, 2, 3! Pilipinas!